भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening and welcome. You are watching Bharti News. I am Divishika and let's have a look at the top news stories of the day. Starting with national headlines. Delhi residents woke up to severe air quality on Thursday morning, a day after the national capital recorded the worst AQI in the country, with dense fog blanketing the NCR, reducing visibility. On Wednesday, the air quality index turned severe for the first time this season, even as the Central Pollution Watchdog attributed the deterioration on an unpredictably dense fog and described it as an episodic event. The AQI in Delhi's Anand Vihar was recorded at 473 at 5 am on Thursday, according to the data by the Central Pollution Control Board. The Punjab government will rename hundreds of Aam Aadmi clinics across the state and remove the Chief Minister Bhagwat Singh Man's photo from the clinic facades to address a funding dispute the union government. These changes are part of a compromise over the branding and funding of the clinics under the National Health Mission. Punjab seat 70 clinics branded as Aam Aadmi clinics under the AAP-led government received pushback from the Centre for Branding NHM funded health and wellness centers as AACs. The union government halted NHM funding to Punjab in February 2023, citing concern that the AAP was using funds by rebranding the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Coming to international news, US President-elect Donald Trump returned to the White House on Wednesday and met with outgoing President Joe Biden at the Oval Office a week after the Republican leader's spectacular victory in the November 5 elections. This was Trump's first visit to the White House following his 2020 election loss to Biden and his refusal to accept his defeat while claiming fraud. Biden told the Trump that he would ensure a smooth and peaceful transfer of power. To this, Trump replied, "It will be as smooth as it can get." US President-elect Donald Trump said on Wednesday he has chosen Tulsi Gabbard, a 43-year-old former Democratic representative and critic of the Biden administration, as his Director of National Intelligence. Gabbard, who left the Democratic Party in 2022 to become an independent and was considered a possible candidate to become Trump's running mate, would take over from Avril Haines as a top official in the US intelligence community after the Republican president-elect starts his second term in January. Coming to the business news, February 2025 is poised to usher in a new era of tax simplicity in India as the upcoming Union Budget 2025-2026 aims to reform the Income Tax Act, making the tax filing easier for citizens. According to the sources in the Finance Ministry, told that a series of major reforms to the income tax system are in the works. These reforms are focused on enhancing compliance, streamlining tax structures, and improving the overall ease of doing business. Swiggy's IPO not only marks one of the largest listings in recent times for a new age company, but also brings subsequent financial rewards for thousands of its employees as the food delivery and quick commerce giant made its stock market debut on November 13. As many as 70 current and former Swiggy employees stand to become dollar millionaires, reported moneycontrol.com. This means each of them is poised to receive over rupees 8.5 crore through the company's employee stock options. Coming to sports news, 92 wickets in 59 matches, Arshdeep Singh on Wednesday, November 13, broke the record for the most wickets by an Indian fast bowler in T20 internationals after a match-winning spell in the third match of a four-game series against South Africa in Centurion. With figures of 3 for 37 in India's successful defense of 219 in a high-scoring thriller, Arshdeep went past Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the elite list of Indian bowlers. India's T20I captain Suryakumar Yadav confirmed that Tilak Verma has earned the number 3 batting spot after his remarkable maiden T20I century against South Africa at Centurion on November 14. India's trailing 11-run win in Johannesburg handed them a 2-1 lead in the ongoing four-match series. And Tilak's elevation to the top order has proven to be a match-defining moment. His unbeaten 107 off 51 balls anchored India after an eagerly setback, while his blend of powerful hits and strategic rotation of strike helped set a solid total of 219. Suryakumar praised Tilak's innings, confirming his stay at number 3 for the foreseeable future. So that concludes our news bulletin for today. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned to Bharti News for continuous coverage and more updates. Wishing you a good evening and a great night ahead.